Introduce highlight features or overview summary for 2023 BWT Advanced Pro, Robotic Swimming Pool Cleaner, robot with smart navigation, lightweight and portable, energy efficient. Easy to use controls, Advanced Pro 600. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include multiple cleaning modes. BWT Advanced Pro robotic pool cleaners typically come with a variety of cleaning modes to choose from, including full floor, wall, and waterline cleaning. This allows you to customize the cleaning process to suit your specific needs. Easy to use controls. The programmable control panel on the BWT robotic pool cleaners is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. With just a few simple settings, you can program the cleaner to clean your pool on a daily or weekly basis or set it to operate manually as needed. Lightweight and portable. BWT robotic pool cleaners are designed to be lightweight and easy to move around your pool. This makes them convenient to use and store, as well as easy to transport if you need to clean a pool in a different location. Energy efficient. BWT robotic pool cleaners are designed to be energy efficient, using a highly efficient motor that consumes less power than traditional pool cleaning systems. This can help lower your energy bills while reducing your carbon footprint. Smart navigation. BWT Advanced Pro robotic pool cleaners feature intelligent navigation systems that ensure complete coverage of your pool. They use advanced algorithms to map out your pool's dimensions and obstacles, and then navigate around them to clean every inch of the pool surface. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.